Hi everybody, this is Alex Kennedy from Gael Jiu Jitsu in Flanders, New Jersey with your move of the week. Hi, today I'm joined with Mike Tishy and we're going to be going over a Darce choke from the turtle position. So Mike is going to get into his turtle guard and I'm going to get into a front headlock. Okay? So my left hand is over his shoulder, my right hand is underneath his armpit, and I've got a nice tight grip here. Okay? First thing I'm looking to do, I'm going to make a quarter turn to his side towards the arm that's underneath his shoulder. So I make a quarter turn. My hand that's over his shoulder, I'm going to cup the back of his neck. My arm that's underneath his armpit, I'm going to shoot as far as I can and wave to my family out in the audience. Okay? My hand that was on his neck, I go palm to palm here. All right, I'm going to use this grip to tuck his chin to his chest and force him onto this shoulder. So we come here and I push. Once he falls to his hip, I'm going to shoot my arm that's underneath his armpit connected to his shoulder even deeper. The way I do this is bring my opposite shoulder to the ceiling. So my shoulders aren't square. This shoulder's coming all the way up to the ceiling, and that extends my arm. From here, we get into a rear naked grip. All right? My hand that's underneath his neck, I grab my bicep, and I walk my fingers all the way to his lat. All right? Now, I'm going to get on my toes. I'm going to angle my hips towards his head and use gravity to sink. Couple things we want to look at. When I'm sprawled on top of him, I don't want my hips square to the ground because as I sprawl, that's going to push his shoulders straight down. I want to drive his shoulder into his neck, so I need to drive diagonally, which is a big reason why I angle my hips towards his head. So again, when we're here, and I get my grip, I get on my toes, and I turn my hips towards his head. And now I sink to the ground.